Hey guys, Terry Beefcake Reeves, Beefcake Racing. Today we are really excited to show you our 2021 and newer Gen 4 F150 Vortech Supercharger kit. We actually have a 2022 shop car. We've already installed a Gen 2 Cobra Jet on it and a VMP twin 69 throttle body. So we're going to have to do a little adapting with the piping and stuff like that, but it's still going to be pretty neat. We're trying to do a lot of different things with this Gen 4 F150 and bring you all kinds of cool content. At the heart of the kit is a Vortech V3 SI head unit, 3.4 supercharger pulley. Should see somewhere between 8 to 10 pounds of boost depending on the setup. If you got headers, things like this. Now the first kit we have here is what's called a tuner kit. So a tuner kit, you add your own fueling, you add your own injectors, whatever type of fuel system or things you might be doing, and then you get a custom tune for it. Vortech will also soon have their CARB legal, 50 state legal kits that comes with all the fuel and tuning as they see fit. So, but again, the head unit, that's your main portion. We opted for a black kit. Our truck is red. We're doing kind of a red and black theme on it. So any of the piping that's really seen, your upper piping, that will come in black as well. Comes with your standard bypass valve. There is an optional race valve that's going to make a lot more noise if you're into the whistling and all that kind of stuff, which a lot of people are. With the black kit, you also get the intercooler scene, so you get the black intercooler over here. Vortech also sends a cool stencil, so if you want to put a custom color, which we'll probably do ours in red on the truck, so we'll have a red stencil and get that Vortech logo in there, and that should look pretty cool. The lower piping, they don't powder coat because it's really not seen, so there's no reason to powder coat it. Installation time, Vortech is calling for 6 to 9 hours. So the installation, just looking at the bracketry and all the stuff as we've kind of went through the instructions, a little bit quicker, 6 to 9 hours. So you should be able to do it one day in the garage, maybe take the weekend, get a couple buddies over, or just do it yourself. One person, 6 to 9 hours. Some of the other things they send, this is a self-contained head unit, so you don't need to tap the oil pan or everything. It comes with 3 containers of oil for fill up. They typically recommend every 5,000 miles change your oil. A little Vortech bracket on there. It's going to come with the bracket assembly. That's your bracket assembly, your pulleys, everything that you need to do the installation with and mount it. It's going to come with the supercharger belt, which is looks like a 60.8 inch belt. So you're going to get all that. In addition, you're going to get a bag that comes with your coolant modification assembly to run all the coolant system properly. There are some modifications to be done there. This is your PCV setup, everything that you need to route everything for that. Here's just some of your other support items. We haven't opened this up yet, but other items that are going to be needed for the install. All these kits, everything comes 100% complete. So again, other than fuel and tuning, you're going to get every nut, every bolt, everything that you need. You don't need to go out. You don't need to buy anything with this kit. It's going to have everything that you need. And then, of course, all your couplers. This bag is going to contain all your couplers and everything that you need, all your silicone couplers, vacuum tubing, everything like that to get the kit complete. Again, like we said, 6 to 9 hours. On the base boost, just base pump gas, we've been seeing around 600 wheel, which through a big F-150 drivetrain, pretty solid. Obviously, we're going to run a little bit more boost. We'll probably make sure we're seeing at least 10 PSI. We'll probably end up with E85 on it. We've already got some FIC 1440 injectors on our truck in preparation for E85 with the supercharger. We'll probably start it out on pump gas, just so everybody can see what kind of numbers it makes on pump gas. E85 in general on a Coyote, we normally see with the additional timing, we can run about 75 to 100 more wheel. So we will also be installing, Suncoast has already sent us one of their stage 2 kits for the F150, their valve body, flex plate, and a converter. So this truck should really move once we get this on. We're very, very excited about it. We've been waiting for these kits. We've been on Vortech for a couple of years to make a kit for the F150. For the guys with the Gen 2, Gen 3 F-150s, we haven't test fit yet. They're pretty sure most of everything is going to fit, and these are going to carry over to the older trucks. We do have a couple customers out there we've got some kits offered out to. If you're looking to do one on a Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3 F-150, hit us up. We'll get you a great deal if you want to be one of the first ones. Maybe a few little modifications, but if we can get you a great deal on a kit, we're going to do that. We are Vortech's largest auto dealer in the world. We always take care of the guys. We'll be doing some of our custom specials, our beefcake specials on these. So go to the website. They are available for order. They are shipping now. So if you like something a little bit different, something that doesn't, really annihilate the tires so much and allow you to tow, I feel like these kits tow a little bit better because they're really not stressing the rods in that mid-range. A lot of people think engines break up at the top of the RPM band. That's simply not the case. Most engines typically break in that 2,000 to 5,000 RPM range, right at that peak torque. And these kits will allow you to tow, I think, and drive like stock when you want it to drive like stock, and just let it rip when you want to let it rip. So again, hit us up, beefcakeracing.com, for your F-150 or Mustang, all your supercharger needs. Anything you need, we got it.